What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. As you can see here, walking through my sea of green, and by the intro to this video we've added some maroon. I honestly don't even know the factory color and the name of this, but it's maroon, and you're looking at me like I'm stupid. All you do is have green vehicles. Why'd you buy maroon? Well, first things first, I'm gonna get this out of the way. This will be painted green. Yes, I said painted. No wrap here. We're painting this guy. Here we have my 2004 Chevy Silverado 1500. Now you're looking at me like Hellcat, Sema Cummins. Looking at me all funny like 1500? Well, let's hop in the cab of this and I'll explain some things. Here is my gem. This thing is just mint. Look at this. Cab corners. I could kick them out. Rockers. Same thing. Honestly, mostly surprised. Although the foam is kind of worn down here. The seat has not ripped yet. So, very impressed by that. Headliner, mint, not falling off completely. Extra mint on this side. Once I roll it down, you can see a super mint over there. Might as well just take razor blades and cut, artwork out of that tint now. That makes no sense. I don't even know why. There are two squares perfectly missing out of that window tint. Debadge and leave the residue, no problem. This is probably my favorite. Look at this, pap cap. Sort of pap cap, half pap cap. Oh, is this thing heavy? First of all, so much room in this 8-foot bed for activities, but it doesn't latch. Super mint. This is my favorite part, boys. No fob at all, just the key and a key for the fuel cap. Let's turn. Oh yeah, also mint. Speakers that are completely like blown out. Buckle seatbelt, thank you. Hour meter, 5,000 hours. What else we got here? Odometer, 159,540 miles. First things first, yes, we do have 4-wheel drive. It does work. Spectacular. Auto headlights, which are super neat. On top of that, we got a creaky blend door in here. Listen. But if I go all the way heat, it shuts off. Making a single cab a sauna isn't exactly the best move, so we deal with the creaky blend door. Now, most of you are also just smells like grandpa truck in here. I've driven this for the last couple days, drove it around. Dash, unlike Rams, not cracked. But I drove this around, and some of you were looking at me like, whoa, what are the plans for this? First things first, why did you buy a gas truck? Not only that, a gas 1500, not only that, a single cab. Bought a single cab because I'm tired of driving people around. Man, this truck's going to be fun. This truck's going to be special. As you can see, there's lots of stuff wrong with this. I haven't even folded the visor down. Ooh, look at that mint. No mirror. Some of you are looking at me like I'm nuts. Some of you are looking at me like, holy crap, he bought a Chevy. Me, myself, I honestly loved this truck. I've loved this style truck forever. The cat eye Chevys, they're just awesome. Awesome trucks, awesome little things. Especially this regular cab long bed. I've always wanted a long bed something, and now I have it. But I still get off the topic of why did I buy a gas truck? Bought a gas truck because, first of all, I need a winter beater. Diesels and winter don't mix. Is it fun? No. Am I going to buy a cheap diesel and worry about all of the motor problems I want to deal with? Absolutely not. That's why I bought a new Cummins over there. So I don't want to deal with that. So people are looking at me like, gas motor, what are you gonna do? Answer to this truck, everything. Everything you could ever imagine. This truck is for me to learn, experiment, and do everything I probably ever wanted to do to a vehicle all in one. You look at me like, you just built a SEMA truck. That's not what you wanted to do. Truth is, absolutely not. But also, let's take this for a spin, start her up, and I'll talk to you a little more. Let her rip. Like a dream. This 5.3 liter Vortec runs like a dream. We've got all the finest features from 2004, like dual climate control, air conditioning, and a radio that barely gets any signal. First of all, I love that. Look at that. There's a bed right there. No cab behind me. Sometimes these regular cabs are just nice, just kind of soothing and calm. But as you saw, this truck needs everything. Rusty frame. It needs rockers. It needs bedsides, even though you cannot see that just yet. The dealership I bought it from put flares on to cover rust trying to sell it, but I saw that it was rusty before. I bought it because it was rusty. 1, for a winter truck now, but 2, for an ongoing build here that we can do lots and lots too. This 4-speed transmission is quite a dog. I don't know. 4 speeds back then. I don't know why they thought that was a good idea, but there's also a lot it doesn't need that I'm going to give to it, including some goodies under the hood. If some of you Chevy people out there know what you could do to a 5.3 and these Vortex, you can just kind of guess what I'm going to be doing to this. We're going to be putting new rockers on, we're going to be putting new cab corners on, new bed sides, we're going to be giving this a paint job at home. Yes, like I said, a paint job at home. We're going to be doing the body work at home. We're going to be doing the welding at home. There is a plastic bed liner in here. We're going to be ripping that out, giving it a good old Raptor spray-in bed liner. We're going to be doing a lot of stuff you guys won't even know till it comes. There's going to be stuff, I mean, obviously headlights, taillights. Yes, we're going to lift it. We're not slamming it. You guys know my company, but we're gonna lift this truck. I am still on the edge so far if I'm gonna go fancy ponies under the hood or like basic off-roady kind of truck with some ponies under the hood. I am not sure yet. I have no idea. I was thinking about this. I was like, well, I could do like a normal lift, some 17s, 35s, make it a truck I can off-road, not really worry about, or I can once again make it a little fancy because I'm like, I kind of like that idea. Same thing with between the lift and all the wheels and stuff. Like, I don't know if I want to do a powder coated lift. I don't know any of that yet. I'm still up in the air. Like I said, this is my 3rd day with the truck. Yeah, there's a lot left on the table with this one, guys. But I am so excited because there's so much we're gonna do. Oh yeah, headliner. We got to do a headliner. It's peeling. I could probably just glue that corner back. However, I may very well do the whole thing. I don't know. I don't know yet. Even things down to the audio because the speakers are absolute trash in here. Yeah, we're going to be doing a lot. Tailgate latch, you guys like already know. There's lots to do, and we do have a lot of time. Transmission, first to second shift is a little long. I don't know if that's normal in these. Who knows? Maybe we'll end up rebuilding a trans in this one. Who knows? It's got 159,000 miles on it, and she runs great. Tires are cheap, so they wobble a little bit at like 80 miles an hour. What are you gonna do about it? Wouldn't expect it. Wouldn't expect anything else. However, this thing is definitely gonna look 1.5 million times different when we are done with it. Budget for this project? Don't have one. Really don't. I bought this truck for $5,300. 4x4, regular cab, long bed. I don't even know what model this is, but I mean, it's got the electric 4x4, dual climate controls. I don't know much about Chevy interiors, but because again, the badge is ripped off. I don't know, but we are for sure gonna have fun with this truck. So guys, this is probably the dream driveway for some. We have a little bit of Ford, Chevy, and obviously some really crazy Dodge stuff and Ram stuff back here. Not many vehicles come in a lime green color. That's why we ended up with maroon. Honestly, it was more of price range and stuff like that on this one. It was just the right price. And for what it is, everything's rusty that I need to be rusty to replace easily. Bed sides, cab corners. You look over here, the doors are kind of getting hit. We're gonna do the best work we can to these. But yeah, you could probably throw a cat through the bedside up here. No, I'm not gonna take a saw and cut and straight pipe the thing because no. I'm gonna see what I can do. Maybe get a more aggressive muffler on this truck. Stuff like that. Cab lights on a 1500. Never really a fan, but cab lights on these Chevys, am a fan. So maybe putting cab lights on this, don't know. I think these are just chrome stick-ons, so we might be able to peel that chrome off. Now, this is my comment to you guys, Chevy owners, 5.3 owners. Let me know anything or any advice or any tips you have for this specific truck. Stuff like that. If you guys have any tips, tricks, or anything like that, please let me know. And also, this is going to be my offer to you guys. Help me build this. Put your suggestions in the comments below, and I will take them to heart. Like I said, I don't know if I want to make this a kind of flashy situation again. I don't know if I want to match this truck to this truck when I'm done. Honestly, consider doing the green and purple. Maybe this time, shoot, maybe we paint it purple. I don't know. I honestly don't know. That actually would be cool. We could paint it purple. We could paint it green. We could do reverse. We can literally just do maroon and black. We can do green and black. There's so many options. I honestly wanted to paint it green, but honestly pulling that out, I could paint this purple. There's just so much possibility and potential with a truck like this. It was, you know, relatively cheap. Two, I love it because this is like starting over. This is like starting with a lot of trucks that you guys have out there. And like this is all stuff that you guys are like, just say you have a Chevy like this and you're like, oh my gosh, my rockers are rusty, my doors are rusty, my bedsides are like, I could put my fist through them. My tailgate doesn't latch. Stuff like that. Same concept. We can run you through simple things to get done and look up online parts to order, stuff like that, and get you guys outside working on your trucks and making them your own. And this is going to be the king of making a vehicle your own, because I bought this thing maroon. It will not stay maroon, and we'll be fixing lots and lots on this truck. One of the first things I will be doing though is getting rid of this cap because it hinders me so much. I use the bed on that truck so often doing work and stuff like that. This cap hinders me so much, so what we're gonna do is gonna get this off and get this tailgate latching again. So guys, I want to thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys are excited for this, and you see this now, but when we're done, you're gonna be probably looking at something like this. No, I'm not turning it into a Ram, but you guys are gonna love it. So if you guys are excited for this build, shoot this video a thumbs up. If you haven't been here before, please give that a click subscribe. Stay tuned for this build. A lot of you are probably looking like, why didn't you get a Jeep? That's coming as well. Just stay tuned. But guys, this thing is gonna be absolutely wicked when done. We are gonna do everything to this truck, and when I say everything, I do mean everything. I'm also going to take these off. I wasn't able to see in pictures. We may need new front fenders, who knows. We're going to be fixing the tint. We're going to be doing so much to this truck, you guys don't even know. Stay tuned, get ready, and I will see you guys in the next video.